Hello viewers, I discuss today how does infinity work, and these questions arises in many cases. And how does infinity works? That's the internal architects, which is very much useful applications in mathematics, especially in calculus, in several ways of physics. There are so many applications we find. Let's watch this video till the end. Suppose if we say any number as a simple example, say 2, any number, and if we are writing in this manner, say it is a process 2 cross 2, that will be 2 square is equal to 4, and if we are maintaining the same process 2 cos 2 cross 2, there is a process of multiplication, that is 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cross 2 cross 2, that is 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So in this way, by multiplication process here, and using this relation, already we know that is called power, and here also we know that 2 multiply 1, that will be 2, simply 2 to the power 1, and 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1. So 2, 4, 8, 16 in this way. And finally, if we are writing in this manner, like this, 2 to the power n, but we don't know here how this n goes to. And if these things happen, that 2 to the power n and n belongs to capital N, that is a set of natural number here. And if we taking a set S is equal to 2 to the power n such that this n is belonging to capital N, then we are finding this type of system. For n is equal to 1, we find this result. For n equals to 2, we find this result. For n equals to 3, we find this result. So it is an endless quantity, and as n tending to infinity, that means we don't know how does n is goes for, and then we find it here 2 to the power n, that is tending to 2 to the power infinity, and that will be, so 2 to the power infinity goes for 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 up to, that's the infinite times. So multiplication works in this way, and certainly that will tending to also infinity. It is endless quantity. So in the power applications of infinity, we are finding endless quantity, and that goes to infinity. And if we say any number, whatever may be the number is, 3 to the power n, 4 to the power n, that also goes to infinity, as this power goes to infinity. And this is a one way of applications. Now we are finding another applications. Let's watch. Suppose if we are writing 1 by 10, and that will goes to 0.1, and 1 by 100, and that will be 0.01, 1 by 1000, that will goes to 0.01. So here if we observe this result, 1 by 10, that is not, that is 0.01, 0.1, 1 by 10, that will be 0 point, that is not point, that's the not a 1, and next is 1 by 1000, that is 0 point double not 1. So all this result, that's a goes to a smaller quantity. In this way, if we are say That's an approach, way of approach. One thinks that's a 1 by 10 to the power 1, that is goes to there. So here 1 by 10 to the power 1, that is 1 by 10, and that is 0.1. 1 by 10 square, that is 1 by 100, 0.01. And 10 cube goes to 1 by 1000, that is 0.001. But if we take the successive element, that is 1 by 10 to the power n, and if we take it as n tends to infinity, here we application as n tending to infinity, that goes to 1 by 1 0 0 0 0 up to infinite times. It's an endless quantity. And here also in the point element, all that very small quantity, and that will be neglected, that will goes to 1 by infinity, and that will be tending to 0 as very small quantity. As it's very small quantity, so that will be tending to 0. So it is a way of division, and so in this way we can say that 1 by infinity tending to 0. So this questions arises that something mathematically something, some quantity by infinity also tending to 0. Something means here that is say x, any element say x, that's something quantity, and x tends to any number, whatever may be the number is, and that will be tending to 0. If say x belonging to the set of natural number or integer or any real number system, so whatever may be, if we say a natural number something by infinity 1 2 3 4, that will also goes to 0, and already we demonstrate how this works. And we discuss today the idea of power relationship of infinity, and in a nutshell, if we say that any power, that is 2 to the power n or 3 to the power n or n to the power n, whatever may be the number is, 4 to the power n, tends to infinity, and as n that's tending to infinity, and also something by 10 to the power n, 1 by 10 to the power n tends to 0 as n tending to infinity. We discuss this idea, and that's already know that 10 to the power infinity also goes to infinity, that's why 1 by infinity tends to 0. So in this way we discussions the precise form how infinity works in power relation and divisional. In division we end our discussion today. If you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.